My video guide will help you to get rid of the unwanted browser extension that is called Get Icons. Get Icons is a special extension for the Google Chrome browser. The developers of this extension indicate that by installing it, you'll be able to download the most beautiful icons on the internet. In reality, installing this extension doesn't really help people much. Instead, this extension may hijack a lot of crucial browser settings without the customer's permission. Also, the extension Get Icons may be involved in displaying the great portion of ads that are not related to the websites that you visit. The extension called Get Icons may display ads if certain conditions are met. For instance, your geographical location or the websites that you visit. Then, if these conditions and requirements are met, the extension will start displaying ads. But even if you don't see any ads, still the presence of this extension is extremely dangerous for your entire computer. If you have somehow noticed that Get Icons extension has become the part of your Google Chrome, you should remove it immediately. Access the menu, go to More Tools, Extensions. If you find this extension, disable and remove it completely. This should be sufficient enough to fix your browser. I would also recommend you to research your system additionally with Combo Cleaner Antivirus, which you may get on the official page combocleaner.com. Download the program using this green button, install the software, and then start researching the system to detect and delete other threats from your computer. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called Anti-Ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.